American restaurant pop out for this one.
Let's tour some Uzbek cuisine located in Queens. Everything here is made in house. What I'm telling you, the word fresh is defined in this place. Starting off with the heat, the plethora of meats. Over here, they got skirt steak, kebabs, Napoleons, lamb chops, chicken. They also have some samsas. These samsas are so good. And as you see, they're made in a specific oven. Now, the dumplings. Every dumplings in this place is made fresh. And these are the big boy dumplings. And right here is plov. The samsas is a perfect way to start. Crunchy on the outside and very soft beef on the inside. And then you dip it in some marinara sauce. Woo! Now starting off with the kofta. Yo, look at the juice coming out of it. I'm telling you, like, I was really mind boggled. And then the lamb chops around too. So well seasoned and so juicy. I was totally impressed. And the Napoleon, my absolute favorite. The marbling and the fat made it super juicy. Now the plov, you got to get the plov. The rice, the quail eggs, the carrots. And then on top of that, add some chimchi to it. Also ask for this compote drink. It's mad tasteful. Shout out to hospitality too. They're going to make you feel at home. You in Queens, you want to learn some kickboxing? Make sure you stop here.